In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable auto-linking of URLs in WordPress comments. When a user adds a plain text URL in their comments, WordPress automatically makes it clickable. You might want to disable this feature, as some users might comment spam or links to other websites which are not relevant to yours. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, under Theme Files, click on themefunctions.php. Scroll down to the bottom of the code, and make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always just restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code here. I'll link it in the description below. One thing to note though, whenever you add a custom code on the parent theme, when that theme gets updated, your custom code will be removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme is updated. Then click on Update File. And that's it. Now back to the website. This is how you can disable auto-linking of URLs in WordPress comments. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.